Hello students, welcome to my class and today's chapter science class. Chapter 12 Force, Energy and Work, page number 114 and 117. So let's start students. So we just talk about the um, wind energy and now we start from the water energy. So water is another very important energy source. People, plants and animals all depend on water. Hydropower is energy that comes from the force of moving water, like wind energy. Water energy helps to generate electricity. Fuel energy. Fuels are burned to produce heat and power. Vehicles and machines move with the use of fuels such as petrol, diesel and CNG or compressed natural gas. So what is the full form of CNG? The full form of CNG is compressed natural gas. Kerosene and LPG are fuels used in the kitchen to cook food. So kerosene and LPG गैस यूज़ होता है किसमें? खाना बनाने के लिए. Next is work. Work is done when a force that is applied or to an object moves that objects. Okay, work तभी होता है जब हम force लगाते हैं और एक ऑब्जेक्ट को हम मूव करते हैं इधर से उधर, तो उसी को बोला जाता है वर्क. मशीन. A machine is something that makes work easier and faster. We use so many machines every day inside and outside the house. Computers, washing machines, mixer grinder, cars, buses and calculators are all machines. So मशीन से क्या होता है, मशीन से काम बहुत आसान हो जाता है, तो हम मशीन इसलिए यूज़ करते हैं. सिंपल मशीन. Cars and buses are big machines that are made by putting together many small machines. Such machines have many parts and are a bit complicated to use. Scissors, hammers, knives are simple machines. Such machines have very few or no moving parts. They are easy to use. Different types of simple machines are. Simple machines कौन कौन से देखो. Scissors. Okay, ये है some levers. So the lever is a long tool such as a pole or a rod put under an object to lift it. In wheels and axle. The axle is a rod or pole centered in the wheel that allows the wheel to turn around it. The wheel then spins in a balanced circle to be used as transportation on a bike or to turn the hands of a clock. The inclined plane. The inclined plane is a ramp or a plane surface set at an angle to another surface. One end is higher than the opposite end. This allows things to go from a lower place to a higher place or vice versa. मतलब हाई से लो फिर से लो से हाई. So it takes less effort to move an object up to ramp than it does to lift that object up the vertical distance. Ramps are used in skateboard parks, wheelchair ramps and to get heavy equipment in and out of the back of trucks. तो यहाँ पे दिखाई जा रहा है, देखो कि एक अगर हेवी लोड अगर होता है तो उसको उठाने में बहुत तकलीफ़ होता है, तो अगर हम ऐसा रैम्प यूज़ करते हैं तो आसानी हो जाती है ट्रक में उठाने के लिए. A wedge comprises two inclined planes. The wedge is used to separate an object apart. This is needed to cut, tear or break something into two parts. The pulley is actually a version of a wheel and axle that is combined with a rope, chain, and or other cord to allow moving something up and down or back and forth. The pulley can be combined with other pulleys to reduce the amount of effort necessary to lift huge amounts of weight or to lower them down it. तो इससे क्या होता है, कोई मतलब भारी चीज़ उठाने में मतलब नीचे उतारने में मतलब हम लोगों को आसानी होती है. So it can also make moving something such as a flag up a pole convenient to do from the ground. Pulleys are used in window blinds and drapery to move them up and down or back and forth. Pulleys are also used on ships to raise and lower loads and on cranes for use in moving construction equipments. The screw can be defined as a twisted inclined plane. It allows movement from a lower position to a higher position. But at the same time, it moves in a circle. Screw can also act to hold things together in some cases. तो screw क्या करती है, दोनों चीज़ को पकड़ने में काम में आती है. ओके, तो ये जो समरी है, ग्लॉसरी आपको लर्न करनी है बहुत अच्छी तरह से. नेक्स्ट डे हम इसका क्वेश्चन आंसर डिस्कस करेंगे. सो आज के लिए इतना ही स्टूडेंट्स. सो टेक केयर, गुड बाय एंड कीप लर्निंग.